Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the same voice in Suno AI every time. Alright, let's begin. First, generate a song and identify the track that has the exact voice you want. This will be your seed track. Save this track to your library. Next, click the three dots on that seed track and select Extend. Now focus on the timestamp. Do not extend from the end of the song. Set the extend point to a moment where the singer's voice is clearly active. This forces Suno AI to continue generating from that exact vocal sample. After that, scroll to the lyrics section. Delete the old lyrics completely and paste your new lyrics. Keep the same style of music tags as the original track. Then click Generate. Once the new version is ready, select Get Whole Song. Download the file and crop out the first part of the original audio using any basic editor. So that's basically how you can use the same voice in Suno AI every time. That's it for this video. Thanks!